Good crack, it's Misha Dan, and Fáilte go, or welcome to, our first beginner's Irish lesson. Quick things before we begin. I am also a learner myself, so I just started learning. I've went through my first beginner's 1 Irish lessons, and I'm going to be teaching you most of everything that I've learned during those, with the added benefit that you can do it from your phone, and that you don't need to pay me. I'm going to leave some spaces in between these lessons, where I'm going to stop for a second and ask you to repeat what I've said. Try and do it, because you need to be able to sound out these words. If you don't have anybody that you can practice with, feel free to practice in front of a mirror, or practice on an animal, a dog or a cat or whatever. There's no judgment here. If you're having difficulty trying to find somebody to practice with, reach out to me and let me know, and I can get you sorted. This is going to be done as a series. I'm going to break it down into bite-sized chunks. So don't worry, if you've missed something, I will label everything with the right day. For example, this is lesson 1, so that you can know that you've missed something, you can go back and watch it. If you don't have time to watch it, hit the wee bookmark video and come back and watch it later. So today we're going to look at very basic greetings, and I'm going to be using the Ulster Irish language through it. It's the dialect in the place that I come from, and it's the thing that I've been learning. So to say hello, it's Gia Ditch, Gia Ditch, Gia Ditch, Gia Ditch. And that's what you would say hello to one person. If you want to say hello back, it's Jas Muradich. Jas Muradich. It's actually Gia is Muradich. Gia is Muradich, but it's shortened. We take away the I and is, put away apostrophe in there, and shorten the sound. So Gia is Muradich. That happens quite a bit in the Irish language, and we'll talk about that a bit later when we get the grammar, and once I learn it myself. So if I say to you, Giadich, what do you say back? Giasmuradich, Giasmuradich. If you want to say hello to me, it's Giadich, Giadich. See, even if you don't think you got that right, great job, because you're already making good positive steps to start practicing. If you want to say hello to more than one person, it's Giadiv, Giadiv. So you hear a lot of people say Giadiva Cordia, Giadiva Cordia. Hello, all my friends. Hello, friends. So Giadich to one person, Giadiv to more than one person. We also already started the lesson with Fáilte, Fáilte, which is welcome, Fáilte, welcome. And you may see in some signs, Cé míle fáilte, Cé míle fáilte. That's 100,000 welcomes. Cé míle fáilte. You'll see it in a lot of the road signs whenever you're crossing in the towns or villages across the country. Cé míle fáilte. Or on some people's doormats, because they're very welcoming. So, hello, Giadich. Hello back, Jas Muradich. Hello to you all. Hello to a few people. Giadiv, Giadiv. Welcome, Fáilte. Welcome, Fáilte. 100,000 welcomes, Cé míle fáilte, Cé míle fáilte. And that's where we're going to end the first lesson. So we're going to do very bite-sized chunks, just like this. I'm going to cover goodbyes for my next lesson. And we're going to look at maybe some more local or advanced ways of saying hello and goodbye, and some of the other greetings in between. Thanks as always, and slán for now.